On this forklift, we have installed a Lenortec iTrixx hour meter. The iTrixx is powered from the ignition switch, and we use the digital input connected to the strobe light circuit to run the meter. The entire circuit is then grounded to the motor.
With the IoT meter's built-in accelerometer, you can be notified of bumps and crashes, or even excessive vibration on your equipment. The iTrixx IoT meter can report data via email, UDP, or MQTT. Email reports can be set based off different conditions such as input value or an hour meter interval.